Okay, I'm back again. So welcome back mga bossing to Boy Bukas channel, and this is Alvin, and our today episode is something different, and maybe I will keep on doing. So I got a box here, and this box is for comics, right? If you know it, you know it. So here we go. We got quite a bit of boxes of comics here, which I got from our local comic store. They have like a sale, a 3-day sale. So I tried to buy a couple of comics and some, which I think is cool to have and to be part of my comics collection. So I love to. So I can't wait to share it to you guys. So let's do this.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, so we got two piles of comics here. So this pile are usually the new releases, and these are the one that's really on sale, but really old. Not really old, but I mean like an older release. As you can see, this one is like on 2020, and these are all the things that I just grab it because they offer some of these like 10 comics for $1, Canadian dollars, right? And some are $1 each. So maybe it's better to start here, and let me see what you guys think about this. That's what on sale here that I haul. So but I think it's really cool. So this one like a Superman, a Doomsday Clock. I got this with those check-up. This for part of the 10 for $1. And I don't know why I only take 10. But anyway, yeah, let's continue. So there you go. Really cool art here. So from Legendary Comics. So this logo is, as you can see, it's also like part of the Legendary, like a movie producers, right? Or movie corporation, something like that. Pacific Rim Aftermath. So yeah, I think I forgot to show you the back part. It's quite really thick series. And we got Bloodshot number 3 here. It's released, let's see. Okay, not too sure. Maybe inside, I don't know. And Contagion number 3 from Marvel Comics. They got some really cool looking characters here. This one is pretty cool. So also part of the 10 per $1. Oh, this one is variant edition. Oh, and this one too. So nice. I think it's really cool. Nice art from whoever's the artist here. And then I can find the name of this one. I don't know how to. I think it's Brown with an E. This one I can find the name. But it's pretty, cool. Like there's a Spider-Man here. Looks like Hulk, Marvel, and yeah, Captain Marvel, and who else? I think only those 3. So it's pretty nice. Yeah. Champions. The world still needs some heroes. Still part of the Marvel. Number 27. Witchblade, which I really like. I love this character since Image Comics started. But I like the way they drew here. Yeah, Sylvester, Cyberforce, and Blood Strike. So some cool. Yeah, I tried to get some of the old releases from Image. And this one is Image, but they have a character that looks like Wolverine here. So this is from Pipe. Really cool. Yeah, other cool characters here. Rat Queens. Nice. I love the artworks on this one. Okay, another number. The other one's 13. This one is number 12. Still Rat Queens. Okay. Oh, another Superman, Day of Doom. So this is $1 now. 2 of 4. So I'm trying to, if I can, right, take to continue the series and completed it. So hopefully, yeah, if I see another one, I will put this on my list. And this one, another one, so another $1. Okay, Ripclaw, Sylvester. But this one is artwork from Gorder. Nice. Okay, there's nothing on the bag, it's covered. And some rabbits, $20.99 here. Okay, so maybe this is Paximal. Looks like an older release. So far, so good. And Weapon X, The Hunt for Saber Part 3. Yeah, I'm really interested in this one. It's really cool. I hope they got a good story on this one. And Arkham City. So I think it's from the video games, right? Batman video games. 205. Nice artwork. And really always, as always, special preview edition Batman Earth 1. It's free, but I pay $1. Anyway, why not, right? It's kind of hard to find, so it's 2010. In theaters and IMAX, The Dark Knight Rises. Oh, it's 2012. Okay, but the artwork is 2010. Ultimate X-Men with the Daredevil and Wolverine, the cover. Very cool, nice, and Cable. I think, yeah. Oh yeah, this one, I love this one. Nice, nice. X-Men Second Coming. Another pretty cool artworks here. Nice. Okay, new X-Men. So this is the last of the $1. It goes on sale. So let's do the new releases, but not some. I think some of this not new. I think I grabbed it from the other display area. So yeah. So this one I love. Oh man, I think I wanna complete this one. X of Swords, but as I can see on the list, yes, it's coming from other different releases. So I mean, like different titles. So it's still from 2020. So hopefully I can still find some of them, and not too sure where's the chapter 1 to 12, how it goes, but as I see the ending, or you know, the story, I think I gotta love it. So I tried to grab some of them that's still available. I think I have 21, 22, and 20. Yeah, so this is the 20. So somewhere there is the 21. So yeah, hopefully can continue the story of this one. So what do you guys think of this story of this one? Let me know. How cool is that? Nice artwork. And this one, it's a Matrix. So I already have the Wolverine, like the X lives, right? So I'm trying to complete now the X death. But so far, I think I'm having a problem because I only get one This one 3. I got 2. And number 4 is the X Live bar. I think it's bar edition, so I just grab it. I don't have this one yet. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's go back here. So this is the 21. Oh, 22. Oh man, yeah, 20, 21, and 22. So this one is a nice looking ending. So there's a lot of cool characters going on here. So I hope I can complete this series. Try to find some of them. Okay. Okay, let's go back to Death of Wolverine. And yeah. The lives of the Wolverines are a really good story, so I'm sure this one too. Yeah. Of course, Storm is in the background with Jean Grey, I guess. Never check the story much about it right now, so yeah, I believe it's Jean Grey. Okay. There you go. Let's complete the series. Part of the inside, and then the number 5, Death of Wolverine. Of course, the life, I mean the death is yeah, so this great story. Nice. And yeah, this is really a nice cover. I really love this cover, and I want to have the Marvel Legends toys of this one. Okay, Children of the Vault, variant edition, Fall of X. Nice, nice artwork. Rod Red, and of course we still have some DC going on. I just love the artworks on this one, and it's by Quesada, so why not? Legacy 901. Okay, so maybe I will try to keep on, like, you know, as you know, I'm starting to get some comics I'm starting collecting again some of the comics releases and something that I like, the artworks and some stories, of course. So maybe I keep on sharing you guys always my latest haul. I usually, but I'm still not following any comic series right now. I just get what I think I like it, and then if I can get it, I'll get it. I'll go to the store if I have time. So yeah, I'm still not in like really collecting and, you know, like following series by series. So but anyway, maybe soon I will be like that. But and if I try to find something that I like, you know, I really try to complete it. So okay, so I got this one. I think this latest release, Dark X-Men. So not too sure, but if I can continue this one, I think I can keep doing it. But so far so good. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys what I shared today. So we got on a different path right now, but this one's really cool. I'm sure you're gonna love it, even if you're still on the toy collection. So maybe I can find something interesting, and I will gonna keep on sharing to you. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.